I'm a manager of the Farmers Arms in Llwyddiant. I've just completed my level 3 in hospitality management.
And I am Sinead Davis. I am the assistant manager at the Farmers Arms in Eiliad, and I have just completed my level 3 in hospitality management. I've learned a lot, like how to work as a assistant manager more in my hospitality job.
Sinead is my daughter and being the mum as well, and I've implemented absolutely everything I've learned in my NVQ. We come from a freehold pub, and I've just learned how to make sure everything is implemented. Policies, contracts, absolutely all my staff are well looked after. It's been amazing learning. I'm currently also doing my level 4. I'm in the middle, so everything I take from my NVQs I put straight in for all our staff. Yeah, we thrive in it. I'm honest, obviously being 42, I literally, I received the email and I asked Sinead, I said, Sinead, have you got an email as well? I never thought I would be graduating, and to graduate alongside my daughter who's almost 21, there is nothing, this is the greatest, one of the greatest achievements I've achieved in life.
I'd ever graduate, especially because I dropped out of college to work full-time in hospitality.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, I never expected to go on to like my NVQs at all. I didn't see me going any further.
It's one of the best things you could do. It doesn't matter what age, what job, everything you learn, you take on board. There's qualifications there that, like I said, I never dreamed of, and it's 100% worth it, especially if you haven't completed college or gone to university. It's something I didn't think was even on the table for me at my age, and I am proud of myself, which is something I don't say lightly, and I'm proud of my daughter, and I'm proud of all my staff who are currently doing their NVQs as well. So I would definitely say it's worth doing.
It's an opportunity for anyone, especially like my mum said, if you haven't been to college or university. It's a great experience as well, and you do learn so much throughout the journey.
I did my maths and English at my age. It was 41 when I passed, but yes, redoing that for me, never thinking that I would ever need them, and never thinking I would ever do them, and thinking that I'd never pass them, and I did. So for me, I've just done my digital literacy as well, so you know, I'm gaining so much more now than I ever did in school. And like,
I would probably say doing it alongside my mum, because she's been very supportive throughout my NVQ.
Currently 5 months into my level 4, so it's definitely something I'm going to just keep going, because as I said, the pub that I run, it's benefited from my qualifications from the NVQ. It's benefited so much that we've got a great team, we run amazingly, and that's only down to me learning, doing my level 3, doing my level 4. So I'm just going to keep going. I am, yours may be different.
Mine is to start my level 4. I plan on starting it in August, I believe.